where are we? That one. So Deric Kamikaze, or as I'm gonna start nicknaming him Com for short, so that we don't blow our cover, has never bought fireworks before, and this is actually a very cool thing for him, and I thought he was joking. It just goes to show you how blessed you are and how much you take shit for granted when some people never even purchased fireworks before. I find it unfathomable, but it's like you were like marooned on a desert island with Tom Hanks in Castaway. Did you ever see that?
Yes.
Yeah, you're Tom Hanks. But you never lived a life beforehand. Everything is new. It's like you're waking up from a coma from childhood.